Going to start the clock on the oil system. He's going to take his oil pan and filter down below. Once it's done, he'll be ready to install those. This should take about 3 minutes to eliminate 100% of the oil. It is a little cold this morning. As soon as the oil is fully drained, Kyle will turn the vacuum pump back on. He'll then use the stock plug to put back underneath onto the vehicle and change his oil filter. We're at about 1:08 right now, so we're still draining some of the oil out. Again, as the system is draining, he can be removing the oil filter and installing the new one, so that once it's 100% drained, all he has to do is put the stock plug back in and add the oil. We're right at 3 minutes for draining the oil. It sounds like the pump's starting to lighten up a little bit. See it draining in the hose. Looking at our time, 3 minutes and 12 seconds. We'll now go back and remove the AGA tool plug and put his stock plug back in using the vacuum regulator.